In photography, there's this mystical thing called a color wheel. Okay, it's actually in art in general. There's color theory where there's complementary colors, and the way you visualize it is in a circle. Basically what happens is, imagine there's a pie, a pizza pie, and each slice of pizza is a different color. The color that complements one slice is the direct opposite of that slice. So in the color wheel, the direct opposite of purple is actually yellow. This is something that you will see in a variety of things outside of photography too, just in design, in art, in things like that. Here's a good example. This is a bandana from LL Bean, and it's actually for Acadia National Park. And if you notice, there's this orangey yellow tint and purple complementing it. Going along with that, the opposite of blue is orange. And if you look at this bandana from Rocky Mountain National Park, you'll notice there's blue and orange. Now the complementary colors aren't exact. You can go a little bit darker or lighter in the shade, but it's that general area. So for example, the purple to the yellow can be a darker mustardy yellow. It's okay. That's what this challenge is. I'm calling the color wheel challenge. I want you to go out and find an object that you can photograph, or a person wearing a specific color, and photograph them with a complementary color. So for example, a red flower with green background, a purple with a yellow background, or a yellow with a purple background. That's what this challenge is about. Here is the color wheel. I will also link to that color wheel in the description down below this video, so you can download that, print it out, and have it forever. Spooky. If you couldn't tell, that's yellow and purple.